today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about simple interest. So if we have a problem like this that says Sienna has $100 in a savings account that earns 5% annually, the interest is not compounded. How much interest will she earn in 2 years? So this is one of those lifelong things that will help you throughout your life. So it's important to know this. So we use the simple interest formula, and the simple interest formula is I equals PRT. And what do these mean? I is the interest earned. P is the principal, so the starting amount. They call this the principal. R is the interest rate. It's a rate expressed as a decimal. So usually the rate is given as a percent and then you express it as a decimal. And T is the time in years. So we know P, the principal, is $100, right? She starts off with $100 in her savings account. So that's the starting amount. And time is 2 years. After 2 years, how much interest will she have earned? So we could write the rate as a decimal now. We need to do the rate. So let's put that in as a decimal. They gave us 5%, and we know that to change this to a decimal, we move the decimal that's at the end here twice, 1, 2, and we have 0.05. So now we can calculate the interest earned. We just plug in the numbers that we know into our interest formula. We just plug in our numbers. So we have P, it's 100. We know R in decimal form is 0.05 and time is 2. So we could calculate that out. So the interest is $10. So after 2 years, Sienna will earn $10 in interest. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.